Good morning, students. Welcome to your computer class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, which is HTML. Okay, so what does HTML stand for? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to discuss about lists, images, and how to make and add tables in HTML. Okay, so we are going to do that. Okay, so let's get started with your first page. So this is your first page. In this it is intro, so it tells you that you have already studied HTML and you know about what is an HTML. Okay, so it is a hypertext markup language. Okay, so due to this you can see here it is given. We can do heading and paragraphs, we can add these, but along with these you can add the lists, images and tables in it. Okay, so that is what we are going to do in this chapter. Okay, so now first of all we are going to start with the list tag. Okay, so list item tag. So how list item tag is used? So see, as in Microsoft Word, okay, you have used in Microsoft Word the the um, bulleted and the numbering feature. Okay, so bulleted and numbering feature you have used in MS Word. Okay, how it is? You give one dot and then you write one sentence, then another dot, you write another sentence. So this is the listing. Okay, this is how the listing is done. So for doing that in HTML, which tag we are going to use? We are going to use this tag. Okay, so this list tag, it is okay, so this is the basic tag used to define each item of a list. It can be used as a empty element. So what is an empty and a container element? एम्प्टी एलिमेंट वो एलिमेंट होता है जिसमें हम सिर्फ जिसका ओपनिंग टैग होता है, क्लोजिंग टैग नहीं होता है. ओके, और व्हाट इज़ अ कंटेनर एलिमेंट? कंटेनर एलिमेंट वो एलिमेंट होता है जिसमें ओपनिंग टैग भी होना चाहिए और क्लोजिंग टैग भी होना चाहिए, एंड अलॉन्ग विद दैट इट हैज़ सम कंटेंट इनसाइड इट. ओके, सो all right, so here you can see what is an empty element. An empty element is list because it has the opening tag but it doesn't have the closing tag. Okay, so what is how it is used? It is used with the less than sign and then li and then greater than. Okay, so then what is a container element? Container element is HTML. Why? Because it has the opening as well as the closing tag. Okay, so let's move on to next page. So here you can see there are three types of list. Okay, so first one is unordered list, second is ordered list, and third one is description list. So first unordered list कैसा होता है? जिसमें just like these three. Okay, these are the unordered list. That is, these are not in a particular sequence, first point, and second is that these are in the bulleted form. Okay, so these are of three types. That is in the form of disk, that is a solid round button just like this but in circular shape. So what is a circle? It is hollow in nature. How hollow? That is, it will be empty. Okay, if empty from the inside. Square, just like this one. Okay, given in your books. So these are the unordered list. Okay, so unordered list is a container tag, that is it will have the starting tag and as well as the ending one. Okay, so how it is used? The attribute for it is, that is less than ul type, then you will type its type. Okay, that is circle, and then you will close it. Okay, so this is the unordered list. Next one is ordered list. Ordered list are those just like these. Okay, you can use uppercase letters like capital ABCD, lowercase letters like small abcd, or Roman numbers, lower Roman numerals, or numbers simple. Okay, so these are the ordered list. These are again a container element. Okay, next is description list. So description list, so first one we can use for anything. Okay, so if you want to write in bulleted form, second one was also you can use sequence wise. Now third one is description list, that is you have to describe a certain term. So if you have to describe a certain term, then you will use this. So DL is the tag. DL tag is used along with DD and DT elements. Okay, so DD is description of that and DT is the term. Okay, so this is the list, that will be the list, and the description of it, the definition of it, and the term. Okay, so these are the two other elements which are used with it. Okay, so that was all for your class. Now for your homework, you have to do fill in the blanks and match the following. Okay, so in fill in the blanks, first one is dash is also known as bulleted list. So bulleted list is ordered unordered list. Okay, so unordered list first वाला अभी हमने यहाँ पे पढ़ा था, that is unordered list, also the bulleted list. Okay, next the default alignment of images which are inserted. So जो भी images web page में insert होती है वो उनका default alignment means वो by default left side को ही जाती है. Okay, the dash, that is in your book the options are wrong, so it is left. Next is the dash element of table tag is used to define the contents within table cell. तो table cell के अंदर define करने के लिए use करते हैं हम इसे. It is cell padding. Okay, dash is this space between two adjacent cells. तो दो cells के बीच का जो space है उसे हम cell spacing कहते हैं. Next, match the following, that is src. src is the source or URL of the image. Okay, so it specifies the source of the image. Next is align, that is alignment of the image, that is either वो image left side को जाएगी या right side को. img specifies an image to be displayed, जो image display की जाएगी. Caption tag, it is the container tag. Okay, so this you have to do in your book only. That's it for the class. Thank you and have a nice day.